friends. So today I have another unboxing. This is from Ivy Moon Body Care. This is my first time purchasing from them. I actually purchased from them on Etsy because I saw a particular bath bomb that I wanted for my son, and then the prices were pretty cool too. So I'm going to come back with all of these unwrapped and talk to you about the products. Oh my gosh, everything is so freaking cute. I don't even know where to start. So first we have the, oh my gosh, how cute is it? Hermie Bath Bomb. This gorgeous little Hermie Bath Bomb was $7. Look how cute he is. Next we have the Rudolph. So shimmery, he's so freaking cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. She thinks I'm cute. I do think you're cute. This was also $7. Now look at this. Cardboard. Cardboard. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this one. Oh my gosh, the Heat Miser. They did have the Snow Miser, but I decided to just get the Heat Miser because he's my favorite. Maybe next time if they have any left. But look how cute he is. It's perfection, don't you think? Oh my gosh, he was, I believe 7 as well. Yes. This next bath bomb I got for my granddaughter's stocking. This one is called LOL Diva Bath Bomb. So cute. This is the Diva style. This was also $7. Look at the shimmer on that. Look at it. Then I got my other granddaughter. This is the unicorn soap. It's a goat milk soap cupcake for my granddaughter to play with. The other one, this is for Kenzie. This is for Layla. Now, we also have Michael Myers. By the way, the soap was $5. The Michael Myers, $6. These are all, the majority of them, Christmas gifts. So this one is going to be for my own, very own Michael Myers, my son. All right. Definitely for my son. I wish I could demo it. I might have to buy another one. Krampus. Look at him. He is perfection. Oh my gosh. All right. Krampus was $8. Then we had the Beetlejuice bath bomb, and it's called a Sandworm, of course. And it's just awesome. My granddaughter was Beetlejuice for Halloween, so I figured she'd enjoy this one. Oops. And then the last one that I have is this ice cream. I'm sorry, snow cone bath bomb, which was $6. I think it's just actually a round bath bomb that's tucked in here, because down here I just feel like packaging. So I guess this is a round bath bomb with a straw in it. Super cute. Snow cone bath bomb, scented in monkey farts. Adorable. So again, we had Hermie. We had Rudolph. We had Heat Miser. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this guy. We had the LOL Bath Bomb, Diva style. We have Michael Myers. We have the Sandworm. Freaking Krampus. Look at him. Come on now. This thing is awesome. And then finally, I'm sorry, this soap, the unicorn soap. And then finally, the snow cone. I am so very happy with what I see here. Again, I've never used these bath bombs from this company before. So I'll let you guys know once I use them. Definitely using this one ASAP. These two are mine for demoing. For Layla, for Layla, for Layla. For my son, for my son. then. So I won't be demoing them all, but at least you guys got to see them via this video. And this is the information again. They are on Etsy. They're also on Instagram and Facebook. Ivy Moon Body Care. Yeah, and I'm super impressed by what I see so far. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Say goodbye to Krampus. All right, guys, that's it for this unboxing. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.